Hello friends, in this quick Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make waves in Illustrator. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to go with a simple example and just draw a line. Okay, now let's go to here and make the stroke something bigger. Okay, now make sure to select the line or an object by clicking on it, then go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and then select the last option here, Zigzag. Okay, so this will turn your object into a zigzag shape. You can change the size here to make it like this. But if you want to convert this into a wave, all you have to do is go to Points area here and click on the Smooth. Okay, and then you can control the frequency of the wave. Okay, and I don't want to make this tutorial any longer than it needs to be, so pretty much this is how you make waves in Illustrator. They can also be applied to other objects like rectangles or any shape really, but this is just a basic example of making waves in Illustrator.